In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete categories in WordPress. Tidy up your site. If your pages are cluttered with category lists you don't need, or you just want a cleaner layout, I'll show you how to remove those category elements right from the site editor. We'll work inside a template so your changes look consistent, and I'll point out a few ways to stay safe while you edit. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading into the site editor. From there, navigate to the page template you want to clean up. Here, I'm opening the template used for the About page. Templates control the design of multiple pages, so any changes you make here can affect more than one page. That's great for consistency, but it also means you should be intentional with what you remove. On the canvas, click the highlighted area that contains your categories. Depending on your theme and how the page is built, categories might be inside a group, column, or navigation block. If your first click selects a larger container, keep clicking the highlighted area to drill down. You'll see I'm clicking through a few times to target the exact block that outputs categories. If you prefer precision, open the list view and select the nested block from there. It's a handy way to jump straight to the element you need. Once the categories block or the specific category link is selected, open the block options and choose Delete. This removes the category element from the template without deleting any posts or the category itself. Think of it as removing the display, not the data. If you change your mind, use Undo right away to bring it back. If you want a safety net before you commit, you can duplicate the element first. With the block still selected, choose Duplicate to create a copy in place. That way, you can experiment with one version while keeping a backup to fall back on. If your goal is to move the element instead of deleting it, choose Cut. Cutting removes it from this spot and keeps it ready to place elsewhere in your design, preserving its settings and styles. When you're happy with the cleanup, click Save. WordPress will confirm the changes that apply to this template. After saving, preview the page to make sure everything looks the way you expect. If anything seems off, revisit the editor, select the correct block, and adjust as needed. And that's it. Your site is tidier, your pages are cleaner, and your categories only appear where they truly